Welcome. If you're tired of those follow-up email suggestions popping up in your Gmail app, you're not alone. Many people find these reminders more distracting than helpful. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the suggest emails to follow up on feature in the Gmail app so you can enjoy a cleaner, less cluttered inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to adjust these settings. Next, look for the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down through the menu until you see the Settings option. Go ahead and tap on Settings. If you have more than one email account added to your Gmail app, you'll see a list here. Tap on the specific email account where you want to turn off follow-up suggestions. Inside your account settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Reply and Follow Up. Tap on this option to open more settings. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Suggest Emails to Follow Up on. This is the feature that nudges you to send follow-up emails when someone hasn't replied to your previous message. To turn off these suggestions, simply uncheck this box. That's it. You've successfully disabled follow-up email suggestions for your Gmail account on the app. From now on, Gmail won't prompt you to follow up on unanswered emails, giving you more control over your inbox and fewer interruptions. If you ever change your mind and want to turn this feature back on, just follow these same steps and check the box again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.